Hi, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my amazing lightweight portable KANPETS vacuum. This portable vacuum works so great around the house to do all of those little jobs that you don't want to get your big vacuum out for, and it would also be amazing if you have a car. The vacuum comes with this little portable station where you can charge the vacuum and hold all of the attachments. It's really low profile. So you get this crevice tool that also has a brush that works really well for picking up fur and also just getting in those little crevices. And you also have this upholstery brush that really can deep clean into fabric. So I love keeping this right by my couch. I'm constantly vacuuming my couch. And you can see it does a great job picking up even big particles. And then it leaves the texture of your couch nice and smooth. So if you have dust, dirt, messy kids, messy pets, then this is really a lifesaver to have. It's so great to just be able to move your couch over a little bit and then quickly clean up any mess that's under or around your couch, maybe in the cushions and all of those hard to reach places. And then you just dump it out in the trash. It's so easy and convenient. You definitely got to have one of these around the house. It's going to make all of those little small vacuum jobs so much easier. You can just whip this out really quick, keep it in a nice, easy to access location in your house, and you are good to go. So I think you're going to love it just as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.